Hi, my name is Arjun Balakrishnan. I'm the India operations head uh, here at PinMicro. PinMicro is a Japan-based startup headquartered in Tokyo. We are one of the global providers of IoT-based real-time location solutions that range from high-precision BLE to um, enterprise scale cloud native applications. And one of our value proposition is to enhance the customers' business growth using the location intelligence. We started operations here in Infopark 2 years back, and we started with 15 people. And now, in the last 2 years, we have grown from 15 to 50 plus at this moment. When we talk about the talents here in Cochin, there are a few points which I'm looking at before I hire any candidates to my company. So one of them are communications, the technical skill, the work ethics. So in Cochin, always have seen that it's a perfect blend in which I can find uh, all the people with all the skill sets, and I could very much say that I'm very happy to be continuing the business out here with the right decision at the right time. I would say that luckily we have not that much affected. Instead, we turned that our situation into a opportunity, and we uh, cashed into that. I would say that. First of all, we were not prepared. In such a thing, we were knew that okay, some point of a time, but entirely completely 100% remotely, we were not prepared, so that it caught us off guard. But then it's about innovating at the right position. Our business continuity always has to go on. So all the employees, they actually put up that effort to come up with the innovative ideas. Why can't we collaborate like this so that I have the same results? Then I also gave that freedom to the people. I welcome the ideas and always appreciate the right ideas, and we try to implement that. And I, as an operational head, what I really help them is to channelize that and mitigate it, so that it gets implemented effectively and immediately. We trust people in the sense like in the rough, we engage more or encourage more onto the referral process. Like if you one of our employees refer one person, we trust them, because without the quality, they won't refer to them. So we encourage the referral policy rather than the conventional method. That is one point. Then we associate with uh, education institutions where we tell them these are the qualities or skill set that we are seeking for. So these are the things which I'm talking about when I recruit a new freshers. But experienced, I go always normal ways. It's a conventional way in which we interact or communicate with the partners or from Naukri or other job portals. Anyone knows about Infopark and Cochin. It's becoming an IT capital, more like moving towards that. So the recognition is very much high, and we don't need any second introduction when we say we are from Infopark. So on that actually gives a advantage, be it when we speak with the customers or with the attracting talent in which all the areas. That label is a definite advantage for us. We always have the positive vibe, all the necessary support that we got it from janitor staffs or security. Um, that is no complaints at all. What all that is to be done, it is on the spot, on the money, that has been done. So no complaints, or in fact not complaints, in fact very happy with the services that Infopark is providing. Very happy.